everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today I'm gonna share with you a Sephora haul, and I think this is gonna be very interesting and hopefully very helpful for you because I'm gonna be talking about some of my favorite products that I've been loving lately. And I'm gonna be dividing this video into two sections. The first one will be skincare and the second will be makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I want to just point out that one of my favorite things about ordering on Sephora online is that you get free products, like free try products, like the little things. So all of these products I got, it was like my Christmas gift to myself last Christmas. So I got a bunch of little stuff, and I also got this bag for free, and it was full with little products, which was very cool. I get to keep the bag, and then you get to try different products and see if you like them or not, and if you do, then you can go ahead and purchase like the bigger regular size version. So that's one of the things I love. So one of the things that came on this bag was this tiny little Clinique eye gel. So it's like an hydrating gel for the eye area, and Clinique is one of the brands that I really like because I love it. It was so good, and it feels like so refreshing for your eye area. So it works very good. Another thing that came on the bag was this tiny super hydrating cream. And I don't know about you, but my skin tends to get super dry on the winter, especially because here it's very cold, and even with the heater, I don't know why, but it like sucks the moisture out of my skin. So I need to put like extra hydrating things on my skin during the winter. This one is Youth to the People, that's the name of the brand, and this is like a deep moisturizing face cream, which is like amazing. So I want to point out that currently my favorite brand, I discovered it thanks to one of those like little bottles that they give you at Sephora, whether you buy online or on the store if you gather some points or whatever. So this brand is called Sunday Riley, and I am absolutely in love with it. They have so many products for so many different skin types and skin conditions, and just like taking care of your skin overall. So I got this little bottle with some retinoid, and this is so good for your skin. It kind of like peels off sometimes, like the bad skin. It also evens out your skin tone, and it closes your pores. It's like a super good serum to put on your face. One of the other products I found that came with this one was one cream that was called Good Genes. I did some research, and apparently that's like the holy grail of skincare. So I went on and bought a bigger bottle. This is not the full size bottle because it's kind of pricey, so I just wanted to get like a medium size just to test it on my skin, see how it reacted, and see if I really liked it or not. And let me tell you, I'll be buying the full-size bottle as soon as this one's over because I love it. It makes my skin so smooth, and it closes your pores, and it evens out your skin tone. And like, I cannot say enough about how good this cream is. You have to try it for yourself. I got it in a bundle deal, and it came with this cleanser that is hydrating, and it's like super deep cleanser for cleaning your pores and so on. So I got this deal, and it was so cheap. So sometimes you can find those kind of stuff either at the store, but mostly online, and you can save up so much money because just this cream, like the regular size bottle, is like $150, so that's quite pricey. But for this bundle, I pay like $16, $18 or something. So that's a very cool option that you can look up, and you are gonna save up some money. I definitely recommend you investing on this one though. So another bundle I got was this little one that came with two products from the same collection, which is the vitamin C. This is a brightening serum, and this is a brightening oil. This oil, let me tell you, is so good for your skin. So I basically put it on my skin. Like maybe I would use one night I will use this, and one night I would use this, so just to mix it up. and to prevent my skin from getting used to it and then for it to stop working, you know. So this is so good for hydrating, and it like evens out your skin tone, and it gives you that like natural healthy glow of your skin. It's absolutely wonderful. Another brand I discovered through one of those test products was this one that is called Drunk Elephant, which I think it's a kind of funny name, but I am in love with this moisturizer. This is my daily moisturizer. Like, I put this on my face every day before I do my makeup. This is I don't even know how to say it, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna link all the products below, so if you're interested in any of them you can look them up. But it says that it's for strengthen and moisturize your skin. This is kind of like a gel texture, and it absorbs instantly into your skin, and it feels so natural, and it feels like you have nothing on. So that's what I like about this. So last Christmas I got a package deal that came with all of these. It came with the cream I just told you about. It came with this butter cleanser. It came with this super concentrated hydrating serum. It came also with this retinol cream, which is the kind of the same one as the one from Sunday Riley, but this is 1%. The Sunday Riley one is 6.5%, so this one is even like more intense, but this one's good as well. And it came with this tiny exfoliant for your skin, which I haven't used yet, but it seems like it's very intense because it comes in this like tiny little bottle, and I've heard it can like kind of peel off your skin, like the dead skin and so on. But the cool thing was that all of those products came in this cute box, so it's kind of like a gold box, and it had a little drawer that you can use. Like, I have like hair products now in there, and you can like reuse it, and it looks pretty if you put it on your shelf or whatever because it's like gold. So I thought that was very cute. Another thing I've been loving lately are the under eye patches. I got this ones, and they are 16 pairs, and it's 24K magic in the air. I'm just kidding. 24K gold eye patches. So they're gold, obviously, and they're supposed to have gold in them. I'm not gonna say that they're like completely made out of gold, but they're supposed to have some properties of gold or something. They feel so good though. Like, they're like this jelly texture, and they come on this very cool liquid. So when you put them under your eyes, it feels like so refreshing, and it instantly like depuffs your eyes. So basically what I do is I wake up in the morning, I put them on. You have to leave them for like 20-30 minutes. So I just like relax, take a coffee or whatever, read a book, and then you peel it off. And the liquid that comes in the package, you can put it all over your skin, and it's so good and refreshing. So I'm really been loving these eye patches. So now we're gonna move on to makeup. So my #1 brand that I'm absolutely in love with at the moment for my skin is Bare Minerals. It's my favorite brand, and this tinted moisturizer is my go-to for like a base. I don't use foundation, I just use this. As you can see, I have 4 different ones, and that's because I have one tone for every season of the year. Like, in the summer I'm darker, in the winter I am lighter, and in between I'm a different color. So I have 4 different tones for every season of the year. That's how much I love this stuff, and they are so good. I cannot tell you how good this is. This is a gel, so as a moisturizer I mentioned before, it's like super light. So the reason I stopped using foundation is because it was too heavy on my skin and it looked cakey. I really didn't like it. So when I discovered this, it was like a life changer and a lifesaver. And this is like a light to medium coverage. I'm not gonna say it's like super coverage, but I think it works for most skin types, and you can always use concealer on top of it. So it's absolutely wonderful. It like soaks into the skin. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels super natural. It doesn't feel like you have nothing at all. And since it's like a moisturizer, you don't really have to put moisturizer under it. You can use this, and you have like the color and the moisturizer all in one. but during the winter I do like to put the moisturizer under and then put this one on top once it's soaked in. Apart from that, it's made out of natural ingredients, so it's super good for your skin. I haven't had any kind of reactions and I just love it, so I really encourage you to try it if you haven't yet. Next, we move on to concealer. The concealer that I've been loving is this one from Urban Decay, and I actually went and got one today because this one's over. What I like about this one is that it's like what it says. It's full coverage. It's kind of like dense, but not so dense that it's like lumpy or cakey, you know, on your skin. It's like so smooth and you can blend it out super good, and it blends into your foundation or your tinted cream like the one I showed you before, and it lasts forever, so it's gonna last until you wash your face. I really like this concealer and it lives up to the expectations, so if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you do so. Another product I want to tell you about is this eyeliner from Urban Decay as well. I don't usually wear eyeliner, but when I do, I like my eyeliner to be black, an intense black, and for it to be easy to use, you know, so I can do like my cat eye in one try without making a mess. So this is pretty good. It has this like crayon look, so it's very easy and it's very smooth. It's not dry and it looks very intense. You can make it as intense or as subtle as you want. You can just put a little bit and then just smush it out with a brush, or you can just go all out and have that intense black cat eye look, which I love. It's very versatile, so yeah, I love it. Another product I want to tell you about is this highlighter. It's from Hourglass and it's so pretty. It's kind of like this champagne color, and this one I've actually had it for about 2 years or a year and a half, and it's the small version. That's not even like the full-size version. They have different tones, but this one is very cute because it's like subtle. It's not like super intense, but at the same time it gives you that little glow, you know. So this is very cute and I really like it, so I recommend it as well. Moving on to the Sephora brand. As you know, Sephora has their own makeup. The Sephora brand has some more affordable products that if you go to look at the other brands they have. So I usually struggle to find a brow pencil that goes with my skin and my hair and so on. So I found this one from Sephora, and it's very cool because it has this like super thin point, so it's very easy for you to draw like little like hair strokes, so it looks more natural. And then on the other side it has this little brush, so you can like blend and make sure that your hairs are not all over the place. So yeah, this is my favorite eyebrow pencil at the moment. And last but not least, from the Sephora collection as well, is this setting spray. So I don't use my setting spray all the time, just when I have like a special event or I want my makeup to last for like a longer period of time. The reason being is that I feel like this dries out my skin a little bit, but other than that it works absolutely perfect. And I really love it, and it's alcohol free. That's something that you have to look for whenever you get a setting spray. And yeah, this one works perfect and is super affordable compared to other brands, and it works just as good, so I really recommend it. And that is it for this haul. I really hope that this was useful, and maybe some of the products I mentioned you are interested on them, so I'm gonna leave all the links on the description down below as I told you before, so you can check them out and see if they work for you as well. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the future videos of this channel. You know that as always it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!